Hi, I'm Shirley, a Get Set Up Guide. I teach beginners line dance, or as we call it here in Detroit, the hustle. My hustle instructor name is the DWIC. That stands for I Do What I Can. I like to teach people that say they have two left feet, no rhythm, never been able to dance, because at one time in my life, that described me. But I developed a step by step method that I hope others will learn. I decided to one day just get on the floor and then do what I can. And when you do that, you find that what you can do increases. Now, line dance is one of the best dance exercises that is for seniors. Anything any other exercise does, the line dance does. It helps your cholesterol, your weight, and in addition to that, it's fun. Now, we hope you'll come out and join us as we learn to dance, line dance. We hope that you'll at least come out, get on the floor, have a little fun with us. Thank you so much. See you there.